All right, question number 20, they didn't give you any directions, so you can just add that factor completely. Means keep going so you can't factor anymore. And remember, when it says factor completely, you shouldn't have the x equals 0. So I have a problem here. The first thing I'm going to notice that each of them have an x. So I'm thinking to myself, wow, 3, 21, and 36 have something in common. Now let's just say you don't know how to, if you don't know if they have the greatest common factor. I use this other box. You don't have to. This is just a scaffold that might help you. And in these boxes, I'm breaking down the factors. 3 times x times x times x. And 21x squared is 7 times 3 times x times x. And 36x is going to be 3 times 12 times x. Class, what do they have in common? So if you circle something in every single one of those, that's our greatest common factor. Now, if it only happens for 2 of the 3 boxes, it's not a common factor for each of them. Does that make sense? And then now I'm just going to copy what I didn't circle. I have x squared plus 7x plus 12. So now I have 3x times x squared plus 7x plus 12. And then I'm just going to take this one right here. A times c is 12. B value is 7. 2 numbers that multiply to be 12 are 3 and 4. So I have 3x times quantity x plus 3. That's what I'm writing there. And x plus 4. Raise your hand if you got that. And then you can go ahead and graph that with your multiplicity.